Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Qinux Talkbuds, AI, you can say like earbud translator. So you should buy this product or not, and what are the main problems why you should not buy. Okay, so if we talk about translator buds, you can see when you visit on amazon.com you will find there are hundreds of product available in today's time with the name of M8 language translator, okay, or M9. There are lots of product available in the market. And if we talk about this brand like Qinux Talk, so Qinux Talk is a popular website in today's time, and they are approx like 2 years from now, and they have like good reputation in the market. You can see trust score is also good. So if we talk about you should buy this product or not, so my dear friends, I want to tell you this is the official website of this product, and you can see there are lots of product available, and all product are drop shipping products. Okay, so it means the product they are also selling this one, this is also a drop shipping product. Okay, and what is the problem? The problem is the advertisement they have shown on your social media accounts. The product will not give you exact results as they shown in the advertisement. This is the only problem of drop shipping products. You will get totally different and other product. Okay, so if we talk about you should buy or not, so my recommendation is not. Okay, so you can make your own decision. My recommendation is not with this brand. So if we talk about like problems, there are lots of problem maybe you will face, like quality issue, like customer support issue. So you should wait, and if you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comments will helpful for lots of people also. So this brand is looking like a legit one, but there are very big concern, like lots of product available in the market with different names, but the product is same. So that's why I have a concern. Okay, so this is the information my dear friends, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.